هذا غولاي غولاي بالعشوبة ياك بسم الله. The soup is slightly bitter and rich in snail flavor. It's like Moroccan clam chowder. It's one of the most famous Moroccan street food, snail soup. Bismillah. This shell is kind of spiral shape, so we have to poke it and twist it. Just like this, yeah! الحمد لله.
هذه أول مرة بنجرب الحلزون أنا وعادل.
شكله
خلينا نشوف ردة الفعل. يلا جاهز عادل؟
والله الله
جاهز؟
تبغى كله زوين.
يلا بسم الله.
الله يتزوين راه صحي.
واو
على سلامتي.
والله
واو
الشكل غير الطعم نهائيا.
لا حبيتها والله حبيتها. فيها نفس طعم الفقع.
ايوه صح فطر كنا فطر.
عجيبة 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 مو طبيعية. بعد واحدة ثانية. يلا هذه واحدة ثانية. طعمها غريب فيها من طعم الفقع. بسم الله.
خير شو الوضع؟
ولد مو طبيعي.
ها؟
والله ما توقعت طعمه كذي.
سوينا جرام هني شوف شوف شوف.
ولا غلطة.
يقول لك هذا
لا 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 حلو حلو بس هذا حلو للرجال بالذات وللنساء لا بأس به.
Today, I spent some time at Le Douar restaurant on M Avenue in Marrakesh. They graciously hosted me to teach me a little bit more about Moroccan street food. Here we are making snails. Now we're trying babouche, which are the very famous Moroccan snails here, cooked in a delicious broth. God, it's super good. It's very flavorful. Amazing. If you're ever in Morocco, babouche is a must try. Thank you to the team for hosting me. Like and follow for more. And as always, saha and bon appetit.
واحدة من أهم الأكلات اللي لازم تجربوها في مراكش اللي هي إيه؟ الحلزون.
الحلزونة يما الحلزونة.
الحلزونة يما الحلزونة. دي المرقة حلوة كلها سبايسز يامي. ومعانا هنا طبق من الحلزون. تقولوا هقدر اكله ولا لا؟ انا عمري ما اكلت حلزون قبل كده. تعالوا نشوف. ايوه 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 ايوه
طول حلزون. وي طويل حلزونة. Here you go. Here you go.
حلو كفايه كده بس حلو.
Halazon, que é o famoso caracolzinho ou escargot.
Não, escargot, escargot.
Chupa?
Não, tira da... Pega com a mão mesmo.
Agora tira os bichinhos lá dentro.
Isso aí, ó.
E agora, ó.
Mete pra dentro, vai, fecha os olhos e mete pra dentro. Fecha os olhos e mete pra dentro. Vai, 1, 2, 3 e... É bom. A textura que tu não tá acostumada, né? Gostou, não? Mariam, olha, engole, mexe pra dentro.
Já engoli.
Ó.
Vai, o Marcos vai comer agora caracol.
Não, caracol não.
Escargot.
Bismillah. É bom, pô.
أول مرة ندوق ليزيسكارغو. بسم الله. هذا ويتحرك هذا شوفوا. هنا سأسكت قليلا تقديرا واحتراما وجغللو. بنين والله غير بنين. اوه تحت بناج هذا.
You'll never believe what I'm doing. Well, I don't believe what I'm doing. Eating snail soup. Look at it. Look at its little tentacles. Oh my god. I did it, y'all. It's actually not that bad. It's kind of like eating mushrooms, and it tastes quite salty and nice. Yeah. Can't believe I just ate bloody snails. Can't lie, the way they're just, when you see the little tentacles, that's what freaks me out. Like, fresh out the garden, but it tastes pretty good. Can't lie. In Marrakesh, lovely stuff.
Hello, I came back. How are you? Vamos a probar, let's try. A little. Wow. Little.
Hey.
That's it. I ordered a little, but he gave me a bunch. A little too. Un poquito. Let's see. Thank you very much. Wow. And when you buy the babouche, merci beaucoup, or the snails, they give you a cup of snails and a cup of soup. Shukran. So, let's try this. This is my first time eating babouche in Morocco. The soup first, okay? This is hot. It tastes like, I don't know what. It's a little bit salty. Yeah, it's something different for us. Let's see, how can we do this? Because I have the camera in one hand. Check the babouche. This is something that you can always find here in Morocco, but when it's not rainy season, it's super hard for them to capture the babouche, the snails, from the earth, from the ground. So right now, I think it's not the time for the babouche, but you can also find on the street. Okay, let's see. Very good babouche. Can you hold this for me, sir? Thank you. Very good babouche. You want? Eat with me. Of course, you can eat. Let's see. You can eat. You want? You like it? Yeah. No, you don't want? Yeah, eat with me. It's a lot for me. Too much.
Thank you.
Of course. You're welcome. How do you do? Show me, because I don't know. Okay. So you pull it out? Oh. Yeah, it's hot. Here. Oh, you pull it out like that. Oh. Okay. Very good. Yeah. Delicious. Okay, now it's my turn. Can you help me? Okay. Beautiful. Now I have a camera woman. Oh yeah, it's too hot. Let's see. Yes. You eat this every day?
Yes.
Every day. Wow. Look my babouche. My first. That is good. Wow. Are you going to the soup? You want more? Oh, that's good. With the soup. Like a soup. But wait. Thank you, my friend. I'm coming later. Okay, I'm here. A little bit later, okay? You want babouche? I'm going. Wow. Henna. Very good. You like? You like? I did yesterday.
أنا كنت قولي لها بالتلحات.
You like henna? You do henna?
Yes.
You want more?
Thank you.
Bye. You're welcome. Thank you so much. Wow. What a sweet lady. You want to help me, sir? Of course. Well, there's a lot of people that only eat the soup, right? This was very good, but now I think it's 20, right? 20 dirham? 20? Delicious. Thank you so much. Bye bye, merci beaucoup.
On va apprendre à manger des escargots grâce à monsieur Mohamed. Mohamed, on y va. هكذا كي نكونوا في الريستورون les amis ما نتبهدلوش, on voit comment on fait. Donc on tient l'escargot et on tire tout simplement.
C'est très très facile. Et bon appétit.
J'ai jamais goûté d'escargot les amis.
C'est très bon. C'est excellent.
C'est très bon.
C'est très bon. C'est délicieux. Veuillez vous montrer.